If you are over 60, your breakfast may be harming your body. Before your day even begins, causing quiet damage. Many adults eat harmless breakfast, unaware of the hidden truth. It raises blood sugar, increases inflammation, stresses heart, drains energy.
It is essential to prioritize preventative care. A simple lifestyle adjustment can make a profound difference in your long-term health.
While ignoring breakfast, the meal doing quiet damage every single day.
Stay with me.
Many adults think it's safe, but it's one of the worst ways.
This common choice can truly harm your body and daily energy.
Let me tell you about Helen, 72, organized and independent. She was proud of one habit: eating breakfast every morning. She believed this made her healthy, as many people are told. Eat breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day.
But after 60, what you eat for breakfast matters far more.
Helen ate daily, yet still gained weight and felt tired.
Her energy crashed before noon, and blood sugar climbed.
Doctor visits grew frustrating. She asked, "Why do I feel worse? I eat breakfast every day. So why do I feel worse?"
It was not just breakfast. It was the wrong breakfast.
Here are 5 breakfast foods I advise older adults to avoid.
Not out of fear, or because one bite will ruin your life.
But regular eating quietly works against blood sugar, heart, health.
After 60, small daily mistakes add up faster than realized.
Number 1, sugary breakfast cereal. This one is a trap.
It looks light, easy, harmless. Many think it's sensible. Helen ate cereal daily, sometimes with banana or raisins.
She thought she was disciplined, making a healthy choice.
Really, it was fast digesting carbohydrates with no staying power.
That matters. After 60, blood sugar control is fragile.
Foods spiking blood sugar quickly leave you tired, shaky, foggy.
That pretty box on the shelf only cares about being sold.
Many cereals lack protein and fiber to slow digestion.
What happens? A quick blood sugar rise, then a crash.
Then more hunger, more snacking. People wonder why they're tired.
Helen thought cereal was light, but it kept her hungry.
The problem: innocent-looking foods hurt quietly over time.
Number 2, pastries.
Muffins, sweet rolls, donuts, danishes.
Stop pretending these are healthy just because they're morning food.
A muffin is often just cake in a respectable costume.
Older adults get fooled daily. Helen bought bran muffins.
She thought bran meant healthy, but the truth was ugly. It was large, sweet, made with refined flour and sugar.
Far more sugar and calories than she ever realized.
These foods are soft, easy to chew, and convenient choices.
That is why older adults reach for them. But convenience is not nutrition.
After 60, sugar and refined flour increase blood sugar.
It triggers hunger, contributes to weight gain, leaves you sluggish. Then they're surprised by hard consequences from their bodies. A sweet breakfast gives quick pleasure, but a slow penalty follows.
And that penalty gets more expensive as the body ages.
Number 3, processed breakfast meat. Bacon, sausage, ham.
And many frozen breakfast sandwiches built around them.
Listen carefully. This is not about demonizing every bite.
This is about patterns. Regular eating after 60 is bad strategy.
H. Helen loved bacon. She said it made breakfast feel real.
That's how habit talks. Emotion first, logic second. Processed meats bring heavy sodium, saturated fat, preservatives.
After 60, that combination works against blood pressure, heart health.
Many adults already deal with hypertension, high cholesterol, or cardiovascular risk.
Then they eat salty, processed breakfast like it's no big deal.
Processed meats pair easily with other poor choices.
White toast, hash browns, sweet coffee. A perfect storm.
I tuned in.
Yes, Oakwell passage. But breakfast already did enough damage for half a day.
Number 4,
Flavored yogurt. This one shocks many people.
Yogurt has a healthy reputation, sometimes deserved, but not always.
Many flavored yogurts are sugar delivery systems wearing a halo. Helen switched from cereal to fruit-flavored yogurt for better choices.
On the label, it looked clean. Low fat, strawberry, calcium. Active cultures. Very nice. But sugar content told the real story.
Flavored yogurts contain surprising amounts of added sugar.
And little protein, so they don't control hunger long.
the same cycle begins again. Blood sugar jumps.
Hunger returns quickly, and the person ends up grazing.
Older adults need breakfasts that support stability, not dessert.
Plain yogurt with protein and no added sugar is different.
But many people grab the sweet, easy kind.
With fruit syrup, candy-like flavors, or crunchy sugar toppings.
That is not a smart breakfast after 60. That is dessert.
Before number 5, ask yourself one honest question.
Is your breakfast feeding your body or just comforting your routine?
After 60, routine can become a prison for your health.
People eat the same for 10, 20, even 30 years.
Not because it works, but because they're stubborn to question it. That mindset is expensive. It costs you health and vitality.
Number 5, white toast, bagels, or jam-heavy breakfasts. This is the one many older adults get wrong most often.
It seems simple. Toast and jam, bagel and cream cheese. Toast with honey or marmalade. Soft, easy, quick, comforting.
And deeply familiar. H. Helen loved toast in the morning.
She said it settled her stomach, believing it was safe. But refined white bread breaks down quickly, raising blood sugar fast.
Paired with jam, honey, sweet spreads, the problem worsens.
Breakfast built mostly on fast carbohydrates, little fiber, no protein.
That kind of meal leaves you full for a short time.
But it rarely leaves you strong and truly nourished.
After 60, muscle maintenance, blood sugar control matter more.
Frankly, these results are disappointing. The data clearly shows we are moving backward, not forward.
This is why number 5 fools so many. It looks light. It feels familiar, easy to prepare. Not greasy or indulgent.
Older adults assume it must be harmless. That is nonsense.
A soft, refined breakfast can still create hard consequences, especially when it becomes a daily habit for many years.
When Helen and I reviewed her breakfasts, the pattern was clear.
Too much sugar. Too many refined carbs. Too little protein.
Too little fiber, too much reliance on normal foods.
Instead of foods that supported aging well. That is the hidden truth.
Many older adults aren't destroyed by extreme eating.
In the hyper-realism of the morning, the shadows began to dance. They coalesced, forming not a void,
Nothing dramatic or scary. Just enough to quietly push. Blood sugar, weight, and inflammation in the wrong direction.
That is how decline works. Not with chaos, but repetition.
After 60, the body is less forgiving. Breakfast is a vital signal. It sets a steady day, or leads to cravings, fatigue, and poor control.
Look honestly at your breakfast. Does it have protein and stability?
Build breakfasts that work with your body. Be wise, not just habitual.